I'm in the basement of my mom's house. She's running this house, and there's a bathroom in the basement. I live in this basement. I want to say that this thing that's behind me is making a sound like a clock or something, and I think it might be. I think about it like it might be a woman speaking to me, sharing her thoughts, or it might not be a woman, it might be a man that wants me to think it's a woman, and somehow, and it is disturbing me, disrupting me, and I think it might be a way that somebody is trying to sabotage me.